Hello guys, my name is Varun Dixit and I am a realtor in Noida. Today I have brought a new luxurious residential project for you. The project name is Ace Divino and it lies in Sector 1, Greater Noida West. Guys, Ace is a renowned real estate brand in Noida due to its timely deliveries, luxurious common area specifications and finest landscaping of the delivered projects. Guys, today in this video we will understand location, sample flat, amenities and pricing of this project. So let's get started. Right now we are standing at Gaur Chowk, Greater Noida West. This is also called Char Murti Chowk or Kisan Chowk. We are coming from NH24, so now we have to take a left turn. And now we are on 130-meter wide road. On this road on my left hand side, there are continuous 14 commercial big projects like Gaur City Center, Gaur City Mall, ATS Cabana High, Galaxy Diamond Plaza, Mahagun My Walk, Trehan Iris, etc. Now we have to take a U-turn towards Gaur Chowk again. Here is the Gaur Chowk again. अगर आप सीधे जाएंगे तो सेंट्रल नोएडा पहुंच जाएंगे, but we have to take a left turn from here. And this is a Hanuman Mandir Chowk, because there is a very old Hanuman temple just beside this chowk. On my left hand side there is a Bhutani Grantham project. Now we will not go straight, we will take a right turn from here. This is the temple I was talking about. This is ATS Chowk guys. If we go straight then we will reach Central Noida, but we will take left turn from here. Now again we are taking a left turn from here. And there is ATS Destinaire, an under construction project of ATS Group on my left hand side after the green belt. And just after that, this is Ace Divino. Nowadays this project is referred to as the most expensive and the most luxurious project of Greater Noida West. ये लेफ्ट हैंड पर सारी बिल्डिंग्स एस डिविनो की ही हैं गाइस. ये एस डिविनो का सेकेंड फेज चल रहा है एंड फर्स्ट फेज उसका रेडी हो चुका है. Now this is the outer facade of the entrance lobby. Ace developer believes that first impression always count. So here is the implementation of their belief system. This is a double height centrally air conditioned lift lobby cum tower clubhouse. This is a new concept of having an exclusive tower clubhouse. This is a beautiful and huge chandelier hanging on the roof. Here is a hotel like reception with waiting area. And guys, there is no flat on the ground floor, so entire area of ground floor is converted into an exclusive clubhouse for the residents of this tower only. You will have access of main clubhouse as well, but this area will be reserved for the residents of this tower only. Leaders are readers, so they made such a huge library for the leaders of this tower. You can enjoy reading a book peacefully here or work on your laptop. Being an avid reader myself, I know one thing for sure, that you hardly get environment for reading in your office or home. This peaceful space near to your home and still distant for reading is a rare comfort that you get here in Ace Divino. And here you get a lot of green natural soothing view from windows of this library. Guys, this is waiting area for your guests or visitors. They can wait here till the time you come downstairs. One thing I guarantee you that your guests will be mesmerized by this 5-star welcome, and their perception regarding your lifestyle is definitely going to improve. Or if you want to chit chat with your neighboring friends away from your family, then this is the place. Awesome chandelier and Italian marble are enhancing the aesthetics of this area. If someone has a hobby of playing a piano and do not want to buy one for the lack of space in house, then here is the real big size piano. Now just imagine this is the actual lift lobby you are going to use on a daily basis. How will you feel when this kind of 5-star ambience will become the part of your life? There are 3 passenger lifts and 1 service lift. Here is one more activity area in this tower clubhouse. There are lots of seating arrangements on this floor. There will be hardly any chance that you will not find a seat here. These portions are locked now, but I will show you from outside. In this room, here is a table tennis and some seating arrangements. In this room, there is a full-size snooker table. Mind you guys, snooker table, not a pool table. Pool table is something you may find everywhere nowadays, but this is rare, and I like things which are rarely available. And here is something your kids are going to love. Guys, this is a 4 BHK flat having an area of 1875 square feet. Now this is a grand entry having an 8 feet high door and a foyer. This is an L-shaped living cum dining room. Guys, you may find it a bit compact, but remember this is a 4 BHK flat in 1875 square feet. So if you have a requirement of 4 bedroom and have a budget somewhere around 1.3 CR, then this can be your dream home. Now this is your kitchen. This is a good size fully loaded kitchen accommodating refrigerator, double bowl sink, oven and a griller. This kitchen is designed in such a way that you can do cooking and at the same time your maid can wash your dishes keeping a fair distance. There is an attached utility balcony and it is sufficiently spacious. You can put your washing machine here and have a clothes drying stand here as well. This is your common washroom. Here are travertino cladded tiles in this common washroom. WCs and wash basins are wall hanging. Tiles are up to 8 feet high. Now this is the first bedroom of the house. There is a wardrobe and a balcony in this room. I'm not showing balconies of this flat because this is a ground floor flat and huge balconies are there which will give you false impression. So I will give you balcony sizes only. And one thing to mention here is that all the balconies are embellished with wooden plank texture tiles. This room can easily accommodate a king size bed. A dressing table is well crafted with TV panel. Now this is the second bedroom of the house. It has a wall full of wardrobe. There is a study table instead of TV panel. This room is definitely designed as a study room. Here you get its attached washroom with glass shower cubicle. An attached balcony is also there in this bedroom. This is a third bedroom. There is also a wardrobe and a balcony in this room. Common washroom is also attached with this room to give a comfort of an attached washroom. Now finally, here is your master bedroom with a big foyer. There's a plenty of space in this master bedroom. There are wooden textured tiles in master bedroom and dressing room. You get a sofa, a TV panel, king size bed with both side tables and a full glass door for balcony. This is a dressing room. And this is a master washroom with glass shower cubicle and wall hanging WC and wash basin. Now let's move out of the flat and observe the view while going out. On my left hand side this is third bedroom and common washroom. On my right hand side there is second bedroom and first bedroom. AS Group has done a commendable job of making a 4 BHK flat in 1875 square feet area. It will fulfill your requirement of 4 bedrooms and take care of your pocket as well. This project lies in Sector 1 Greater Noida West, and this is the closest sector in Greater Noida West to Central Noida. This sector lies bang on FNG highway, means Faridabad, Noida, Ghaziabad highway. It will smoothen your journey to Faridabad and Ghaziabad once it is operational. The typology you will get here is 2, 3, 4 BHK and penthouses. So guys, if we talk about sizes and prices, then you will get a size range from 995 square feet to 2790 square feet, and you will get a price range from 64 lakh to 2.8 cr. And typology you will get 2 BHK, 2 BHK, 2 BHK plus a study room, 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 4 types of penthouses. If you are looking for a flat in AS Divino, then do contact me. I will help you and guide you throughout your journey from booking to BBA to loaning and possession and even after that. Finally, if you like this video, then please like the video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to see the next hot project in Noida. Also, if you have any query, then you can ask me in the comment box or you can WhatsApp me personally. So goodbye guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.